Page number 41. 5 plus minus 2. For that formula is minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3. And again add 3. For that plus 5 minus 2. Answer is 6. Next 5 plus 1 minus 2. For that formula is minus 5 plus 3. Answer is 4. Next 5 minus 2. For that minus 5 plus 3 plus 6. Answer is 9. Next 7 plus 8. For that formula is plus 10 minus 2. Then again minus 2. Minus 5 plus 3. Answer is 13. Next 9 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 plus 3. Answer is 4. Next 5 minus 2. For that minus 5 plus 3 plus 1. Answer is 4. Next 6 minus 2. For that minus 5 plus 3 plus 6 plus 6. For that plus 10 minus 4. Answer is 10. 9 plus 7. For that plus 10 minus 3 and minus 2. For that minus 5 plus 3. Answer is 14. Next 6 minus 2. For that minus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5. Answer is 9. Next 8 minus 2. Again minus 2. For that minus 5 plus 3. Answer is 4. Next 15 plus 1 minus 2. For that minus 5 plus 3. Answer is 14. Next 8 minus 2. Again minus 2. For that minus 5 plus 3. Answer is 4. Next 7 minus 2. Again minus 2. For that minus 5 plus 3. Answer is 3. Next 17 minus 2. Again minus 2. For that minus 5 plus 3. Answer is 13. 15 plus 1 minus 2. For that minus 5 plus 3. Answer is 14. Next 5 minus 2. For that minus 5 plus 3 plus 1. Answer is 4. Next 9 plus 7. For that plus 10 minus 3 minus 2. For that minus 5 plus 3. Answer is 14. Next 7 plus 8. For that plus 10 minus 2. Again minus 2. For that minus 5 plus 3. Answer is 13. Next 5 minus 2. For that minus 5 plus 3 plus 6. Answer is 9. And last one 55 minus 2. For that minus 5 plus 3 and plus 6. Answer is 59.